So I bought this from walmart.ca, around $32 Canadian. So this portable mini washing, let's see the review of it. All right. Here's some instructions here. There's a charger in it. This is pretty small. So let's test it. Also, it is doing 2 cycles, one clockwise, other anti-clockwise. Let's see what happened with other. Let's open this here. No idea what it does, the second mode. Let's see the third one. It is vibrating. Oh, this was vibrating in the third mode. And now this is vibrating just a little bit, but I don't know what's happening. So let's test in water. So I took bucket, put water, and let's see how it works. I'll put some cloth in a t-shirt. And a trouser and shorts. Nope, it does not have much power in it. Yeah, nope, I'll try this one. So the first one did not work. I put that in the bottom. So now I stick it on the side and let's see the results. Okay. I'll put my shirt and see. Yeah, still not moving. I think the vibration part that is will clean it, not this rotation. So I'll tell you the results of afterward. Also, there were 4 modes. So A is automatic, B is turbine clean. I don't know what's the difference between A and B. Anyways, C is the ultrasound and D is bubble. So probably C and D, that's gonna clean it, but let's see. See you. I'll put the detergent in it and we'll get back to you later. Bye. So now it's in vibration mode, I believe, and it's vibrating. So yeah, now this is the bubble mode, so it's producing bubbles, and I believe the air is coming from this tube also. That's how, probably. What, how else? So this is the end result, and I think it took like 35-40 minutes to complete the cycle, and not satisfied. It's not cleaning. You can just put the water in it, put some detergent, and that will do the same. So not recommending this to buy. Bye.